Hi everyone, welcome to Embroidery, and this week I'm going to share with you this commission work I did recently. The fabric is in black color, so it's almost impossible for me to trace the pattern, and also because the size is really big, it's 80 by 30 centimeters, so I thought it would be just easier for me to draw it with bare hands. So before this project, my client sent me a few pictures and then we discussed the details about how she wanted to be for the final result. She said it's a birthday gift, so I guess it's for a kid because it's really colorful. So then I choose some very bright colors for the whole pattern. I started from the sun, which is right in the middle. I usually like to start my work from the middle, so the fabric doesn't wrinkle up too much. And I use long and short stitches. The stitches that I use, they are all quite basic, so it's not a difficult job, but because the size is very big, it still took me 4 days to complete it. To the person who received this handmade gift, I wish you a happy birthday, and never forget, as written on this pillowcase, you are the dream. If you're interested in some work like this, or even more complicated, please feel free to contact me. I can be found on almost everywhere, Instagram, Facebook, or you could just send to me an email. We can discuss more details about it. So I would like to thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't visited my channel yet, please take a look. You will find much more video of tutorials and embroideries there.